Well, he said he just needs room. He said there's nothing wrong with these lower units. So I'm going to take them over to a buddy of mine and see if we can't flip them, sell them. Better scrapyard. Back at the nasty garbage can again for some more metal. Oh, it's got some weight to it too. Sweet. What's up with this 360 bottle? Sticky. I don't know. I don't know about no 360 sticky bottle. Let's go find some more goodies. We ain't grabbing no plushies. Yeah, we'll grab these metal tables though. Ooh, oh boy, that's got some weight. One metal chair. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh, I hope the answer is yes. Couple of fans. Oh, fans of fans. Oh, yeah. Hey. Plastic stays here. I don't need no plastic. Some cordage. These motors are so easy to pop out. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Four screws, pops this bottom out. Maybe an armor, some hammer action, and 4 more screws. It's all about them 4 screws, Nacho. Check it out, Scrap and Scorpion. Metal back flat screen TV. Oh yeah, we'll take it. Let's read the sign first. It's not great, but it does work. Careful. Old plasma are heavy. Old plasmas are heavy. You got that right. They are heavy. Hitachi. It's got the remote. Alright. Let's get it in. Keyword heavy. That sucker is heavy. That sucker. I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to scrap everything but the glass. And then we're going to see if it's got aluminum back. Check out the boards. Send pictures of the boards to Scrap and Scorpion. See if he wants them. Go from there. 3 downspouts. Old sheet guttering. Aluminum in them. 2005. November 2005. Hitachi Plasma. Alright, let's pop this back off. I saved you the hassle. I pulled all the 10 million screws out of it. I think. There might be a couple left. Yep, there is. Pop the back off, pop the brackets off. And it's all aluminum. Dismantled down. Screens right there. This is the whole aluminum back. I have to ask a few more questions on how you separate the glass from that without destroying it or making a giant mess. And well, you can see that gold pins. I know he'll want them. This one's got gold pins all the way across. Right there's gold pins. That one's got the gold pins. He'll take it. I don't even have to ask him if he'll want this. He'll be like, heck yeah. Especially when he sees them gold pins. Whew. Those are pretty long and big. Alright. I'll save this for another video or follow-up or whatever. Got to get to the rest of this stuff. Even the speaker's got some good weight to them. That's the clean extrusion aluminum, and there's some sheet in there too. What we get I'm thinking 60's way off, but you know, it's always good to dream. Ha! Not. Trash can. Ha. Stinky one. Got some wires. Oh yeah. I see more wires. Yep. We like wires. We like wires. Mine is bad. You see every day. Trash bags full of springs or some kind of metal. Whatever. I'll take it. I don't discriminate against scrap. And boom, falls out. Oh, and Christmas lights. I saved these for somebody special. I need 2 hands. And this reason right here that we're getting ready to come up on is the reason why I'll come to this neighborhood 4 times, sometimes 4 times, but generally 3 times. Hit it in the morning, hit it in the afternoon, and then come back in the evening, because look at that. Boom. There's a washer and dryer sitting there for free. And they look like my brand. And I don't care if they're torn up. I'll still get more than scrapyard prices. Sweet! For the Admiral, the GE's going to the scrapyard. Wah, wah, wah. And they're both dryers, so they're easy to lift. They're on there. Zoom back out. Good to go. It's missing the back, and it's an Admiral, but he's gonna take a couple parts off of here, and he said he'll give me 10 bucks. So, winner chicken dinner, and I still get to take it to the scrapyard and make a few more pennies. Cool. And today's ticket. There we go. For a grand total of, where's it at? Where's that? Focus. $60. Not bad. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, share me out, and have a good day, and I'll see you again.